Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson V11. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson V11 won't hold any dirt, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can arise because of a faulty dust container lid or a blockage in the system. If left unaddressed, it can lead to reduced suction power and further damage to your vacuum over time. Thankfully, fixing it is quite straightforward if you follow these steps. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement dust container lid specifically for the Dyson V11. First, ensure your Dyson V11 is turned off and unplugged. Start by gently pressing the release button on the dust container to remove it from the main body. Set it aside safely. Next, locate the screws that secure the dust container lid. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these screws. Ensure you place them in a safe location as you will need them for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the lid off, being cautious not to damage any surrounding components. At this point, you may notice that the lid has become warped or the sealing mechanism is faulty. If you're replacing the lid, take your new one and position it carefully over the dust container. Align it with the screw holes and gently press it down to ensure it fits snugly. Now, it's time to secure the lid in place with the screws you previously removed. Be careful not to over-tighten them, as this can cause damage to the plastic. After securing the lid, check for any blockage in the dust container itself. Use your tweezers to remove any debris that might be causing an obstruction. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is reassembled, carefully reattach the dust container back to the Dyson V11. Ensure it clicks into place securely. Now, plug in your vacuum and perform a quick test to ensure it's functioning properly. If all goes well, you should find that your Dyson V11 is once again holding dirt as it should. To prevent this issue from occurring again, make sure to regularly clean the dust container and check for blockages in the filters and hoses. This will help maintain optimal suction and prolong the life of your Dyson V11. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.